to acknowledge that we have staff from the party headquarters, Chungwa House, Jaramogi Oginga Foundation, and from Capitol Hill. If you are here, just stand up, please, so that we can acknowledge you. You have been a big, big part of the journey of the Oginga family. Thank you very much. Juma, I see you. And I was told Dr. Mondo was somewhere here, the Chief of Staff. Thank you very much. Yes. Thank you very much, Anima. Thank you very much. I've also been reminded that Honorable Karoli Omondi is here. He was not acknowledged before. And some MCAs from Kisumu County. Where are you? Just stand up, please. We have run out of time. Yes, thank you very much for coming to stand with us. Now, finally, Church, allow me to invite the Governor of Nairobi. Governor, from the eulogy, I'm sure you've noticed something, that people of prominent people used to be born in public hospitals. I'm sure you've noted it. Welcome and give your tribute.
Thank you, my Senator, Father, and the clergy, the family of Jaramogi, led by Senator and Party Leader Oburu. 2 Timothy 2:13 says that even if we are faithless, God remains faithful. Amy Chizi Torai, we spoke at home. We are here with you. And everybody who knew Beryl, allow me just to say sorry. Poleni sana. Please accept our condolences as Nairobi, as the county government, as the people, as my senator has said. We have a team from the county government. I think I've seen a few CECs who worked closely with Beryl, with Mom. Maureen, just stand up. Maureen is in charge of environment, and Nairobi Water Company falls under her docket. They worked closely, and Gumo, Michael Gumo is also a CEC. Thank you. Oscar Umoke is the Chief Officer for Water, and so the company was very a big part of what it does every day. This news got to us so suddenly, and it was so shocking, because from what I knew, Mom was getting better. I remember a few months ago when I went to see her at ICU at Nairobi Hospital, and she pulled through just a few days after that. She was cheerful, jovial, you know. And just last, I think 2 weeks ago, Torai, we were speaking, and we had some assignments that she left us. And so when we got the news, I was extremely shocked. Somebody slipped me a paper in the middle of a meeting. I have so many things to say about Mom, but I will not go into them today because of time. But one thing I need to tell you is that if there's one person who I saw bring out the best and worst of Raila Amolo Odinga, it was Beryl. I have faced his wrath because of Beryl, and also his joy that I've never seen because of Beryl. I think you all know, when I became governor, there was no broad-based. We were not talking together. But of course, I started it in the city by saying, look, we have to work together. And so one side of the coalition had said, because she had been the chair of Nairobi Water, had said she cannot even be in the board at Olewe. And the other side was saying she must be the chair. You know, it was very awkward. And so I kept her in the board as vice chair. But when Baba had it, he took the first flight to Mombasa. The speaker was there. Where is Ken? Ken Ngondi and a few other leaders. I have never seen Baba more emotional, upset, angry. He was literally barking. And I explained the situation and we sorted it out. But then later, I remember one day I had a surprise for Mom. And we met with Baba at Pan Africa. I saw him so giddy, almost like a child, so excited. And after that incident, we became very close to Mom. You know, I lost my mom when I was very young, but there were schoolmates with Dr. Wenwa. And every time, Barry would tell me stories of my own mom. And so I looked for those opportunities. She'd tell me, oh, your mom was an athlete in school. At Kenya High, she used to run. How comes you don't run? I told her I ran, but I ran for office. You know, it's a bit different. She was the Kenyan champion, you know, Commonwealth champion, 200 meters and 100 meters. And we had amazing interactions. I want to tell you, Amy, my MCA, Chizi and Torai, she loved you immensely. She loved you so much. And you guys are so strong. And I committed to her that I'll make sure you're taken care of. We will not leave you. We will not be away. And even Torai, we spoke. I know my chairman of Nairobi Water is here. The gap left by Beryl will stay in the family. We'll make sure that one of you can take up that slot. I think Torai, yeah? Lakini msitangaze sasa huko nje mseme ati na senator ako hapo. Asinite senator kusema hiyo ilikuwaje. But she gave a really big contribution to Nairobi. So on our behalf, please accept our deep condolences. We've been with you through this process. We will stay with you. We'll stand with you until we finish. And let's pick up from where she left off. She is one person who loved people. She was not tribal. She had no boundaries. If you see this place so full, it's because of the kind of character that Mom had. May her soul rest in eternal peace. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Governor. Father, I'm done. Honorable Buru, I just got a message that Senator Crystal Asige is here. Where is she? Yes, she's right at the back there. And the Honorable Orero, the Member of Parliament for Kibra as well. I've seen some of Raila's closest friends. I've seen Kamau. And all of you, we acknowledge you and we thank you for coming to condole with us. With that, let me call Bagi back. I'm done. Mungu awabariki sana.
Thank you, SG, and thank you, Father, for bearing with us. Without much ado, allow me to call back the chair of the steering committee to give us the final instructions before Father comes back for the final benediction. Edwin, kindly.
Thank you. I'm here to pass a vote of thanks, firstly to the mighty God for having given us a memorable memorial service for her departed Beryl. Tunamshukuru Mungu sana 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 kwa uwezo wake na kupa nafasi hii alitupa kuwa pamoja ili tumpatie Beryl a decent send-off. I want to pass a vote of thanks to the distinguished men, ladies and gentlemen who assisted us in this journey. It has not been easy, but we all worked together. First and foremost, you know, Beryl was a Catholic. And you know, getting the Catholic Church to conduct the service wasn't that easy. So, asante sana sana sana. The Catholic Church, the Consolata Church, thank you so much. We're extremely grateful. To